Guys, so wet, rainy, wet, but hey, it's spring skiing. Doesn't get any better than this, man. April 2nd and I'm skiing. Heck yeah, totally. Rainy, windy, but it is what it is. Welcome to Geochallenge Adventures.
Oh hey guys, just got myself a geocache today. Hey, just a couple days ago, I went on this awesome trip up to Mount Hood. We're gonna do some skiing. Check this footage out. Alright, just finishing up signing the log. I think this geocache qualifies me for the April 2019, yeah it is 2019, Geochallenge, sponsored by the geocaching blogger and Cash Advance. This house behind me, that's the owner of the geocache I'm signing here. Just before the spring rains set in. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Don't forget, subscribe.